choose theme, click on choose theme, then click on dark, and you can see your dark mode has been successfully applied. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to channel. If you want to learn how to enable dark mode on your Google Drive, so don't skip this video, because in this video I will tell you how you can enable dark mode on your Google Drive application in just one click. Let's start the video. उसके लिए तुम लोगों ने सिंपली क्या करना है कि अपने Google Drive की एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करना है. You can open your Google Drive application and simply you can click on three lines, then click on settings, and you can see theme option, and theme के नीचे तुम लोगों को ऑप्शन आ रहा है choose theme. Click on choose theme, then click on dark, and you can see your dark mode has been successfully applied. तो thank you so much guys for watching this video. यार अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. हाँ, मैंने गूगल ड्राइव पे कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट बना के रखी हुई है, अगर चाहो तो वो प्लेलिस्ट देख सकते हो. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.